You love your cat, but let's be honest. Do they know that? Because if your idea of showing affection involves smothering them with hugs and unsolicited belly rubs, there's a good chance they're just tolerating you, or secretly planning their escape. The truth is, most cat owners get it completely wrong. Cats don't communicate love the same way we do, and forcing human-style affection on them is like speaking the wrong language, loudly. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down 10 ways to show your cat you love them, in a way they actually understand. And trust me, number 7, if you're not doing it, your cat is definitely judging you. 1. The mysterious magic of boxes and bags. You splurged on a fancy cat bed. Your cat? They prefer the Amazon box it came in. Classic. But this isn't just feline nonsense, it's instinct. Boxes and bags give them safety and stealth. A cozy little hideout where they can observe, stalk, and of course, launch surprise attacks on your feet. Plus, let's be honest, nothing beats the crinkle of a paper bag. It's like nature's ASMR for cats. And let's not forget the crinkle factor. Paper bags and wrappers make noises similar to rustling leaves, activating their inner hunter. So, before you toss that packaging, let your cat have a go at it first. 2. Scratching. More than just claw maintenance. You wouldn't skip a good stretch after waking up, right? Well, for cats, scratching is like their version of morning yoga. Except instead of a mat, they choose your favorite couch. Scratching isn't just about keeping their claws sharp, it's a full-body workout. It stretches their muscles, relieves tension, and even acts as a stress reliever. According to feline behavior expert Dr. John Bradshaw, scratching also leaves behind visual and scent markers, signaling ownership and reducing anxiety. That's why declawed cats often develop stress-related behaviors. They lose this natural way to self-soothe. The solution? Give them something better to scratch. A sturdy scratching post or a cat tree isn't just a distraction, it's a necessity. And if you place it near their favorite perch, you've just won bonus points in the game of keeping your cat entertained and your couch intact. 3. The higher, the better. Some animals dig, others burrow. Cats? They climb. No hesitation, no regrets. If there's a tall surface in your home, it's already theirs. Bookshelves, the fridge, even the top of your door. Yes, they'll figure it out. It's not just for fun either. In the wild, height means survival. Better vantage points, better control, better chances of spotting both dinner and danger. At home, it's the perfect way to keep an eye on you, while also dodging your awkward belly rub attempts. Rather than letting your cat scale your furniture like a mountain goat, give them what they really want. Cat trees, high perches, and wall shelves designed just for them. It keeps them happy, entertained, and most importantly, off your kitchen cabinets. 4. Playtime. More than just fun and games. Play isn't just entertainment, it's essential for your cat's well-being. According to feline behaviorist, play helps cats release built-up energy and satisfy their natural hunting instincts. Without it, they may develop anxiety, aggression, or even destructive behaviors. Studies show that interactive play sessions can reduce stress and improve a cat's overall health. So, forget the lifeless stuffed toys. Your feline hunter craves movement. Feather wands, bouncing balls, or even a crumpled paper ball will keep their instincts sharp and their boredom at bay. Want to truly impress your feline overlord? Swap passive toys for interactive ones that move and react. The more unpredictable, the better. Feather wands, motorized mice, or even a crumpled paper ball can spark their inner hunter. And the best part? Playing together builds trust way more than just awkwardly petting them while they stare at you in mild disapproval. 5. The hypnotic allure of moving objects. You ever notice how your cat can ignore you completely but will lock onto a speck of dust floating in the air like it's the most important mission of their life? If it moves, it has their full attention. Whether it's a flickering light, a drifting leaf, or an insect that may or may not even be real. This obsession isn't just them being weird. Well, partly. Movement triggers their primal hunting instincts, even if they never actually follow through with the pounce. That intense stare? It's thousands of years of feline evolution calculating the perfect strike, which they'll then abandon because lying down is easier. Instead of letting them stare into the void all day, give them something exciting to watch. A window perch for bird watching or interactive toys like laser pointers, used in moderation, of course, can keep their minds sharp and their hunting skills almost as refined as their ability to judge you. 6. The sacred ritual of sleep. If sleeping were an Olympic sport, cats wouldn't just win, they'd dominate. 16 hours a day, gone. just like that. Yet somehow they still act exhausted. From what? Supervising you? Knocking things off shelves? The mystery remains unsolved. But here's the thing. Their laziness is strategic. Cats are built for short bursts of intense energy, followed by long recovery periods. It's in their DNA. They may not be chasing antelope across the savannah, but those 3 a.m. zoomies? That takes serious preparation. Where they choose to sleep is just as important. If they curl up near you, congrats! You've been deemed trustworthy. If they disappear into a secret hiding spot, take the hint. They need solitude. Respect the nap, and when they wake up, they might decide to grace you with their presence again. Or at least tolerate your existence until their next sleep cycle. 7. The joy of a secret hideaway. Ever had a moment where you couldn't find your cat and started questioning reality? Did they teleport? Phase through walls? Join a secret underground feline society? Nope. They've just crammed themselves into a shoebox or wedged under the couch like a professional escape artist. Cats don't just like hiding, they need it. In the wild, a secluded spot means safety, control, and zero interruptions. Basically, the opposite of what happens when you try to pick them up for unwanted cuddles. Animal behaviorist. Dr. Sarah Ellis notes that hiding spaces help reduce stress hormone levels in cats, making them essential for their mental health. And a study published in Applied Animal Behavior Science found that shelter cats with access to hiding spaces adjusted to new environments faster and showed fewer signs of anxiety. That's why your cat will squeeze into drawers, claim your laundry basket, or mysteriously vanish inside a grocery bag like some kind of fluffy illusionist. Rather than dragging them out of their perfectly chosen retreat, respect the hideaway. A cozy cat cave, covered bed, or even a dedicated cardboard box can be the ultimate comfort zone. One that makes them feel way more secure than any amount of head scratches ever could. 8. The ultimate reward. Treats. If your cat ignores you all day but magically appears the second you open a bag of chips, don't take it personally. They're just food-motivated opportunists. That crinkle sound? It's basically a feline summoning spell, and they will materialize out of thin air to investigate. But treats aren't just bribes for attention, even if it feels that way. They tap into deep survival instincts, making food-based rewards way more powerful than any head scratch. Plus, they're great for training. Yes, cats can be trained as long as the payment is edible. Just remember, moderation is key. Overdo it, and your agile hunter might transform into a very round, very spoiled loaf. So, use treats wisely. You want to reinforce good behavior, not fund your cat's dream of becoming a furry little bowling ball. 9. The enchantment of running water. Cats will straight up refuse to drink from a perfectly clean water bowl, but the moment they hear a faucet drip, suddenly, they're parched. It's like they're convinced that still water is just a trap, and only the mystical, ever-flowing stream from your sink is worthy of their refined palate. This isn't just feline dramatics, well, not entirely. In the wild, running water is safer than stagnant puddles, which can harbor bacteria and parasites. According to a study published in the Journal of Feline Medicine and Surgery, cats have a natural aversion to still water due to their sensitive whiskers. Wide bowls can cause whisker fatigue, making drinking uncomfortable. That's why they'll often bypass their bowl entirely, seeking out fresher, more dynamic water sources instead. Rather than letting them hijack your sink, try a cat water fountain. It's fresh, keeps them entertained, and most importantly, stops them from guilt-tripping you into leaving the faucet on like they pay the water bill. 10. The grooming session of bliss. If you've ever brushed your cat and they started purring like you just unlocked a secret cheat code to their heart, congrats! You found their personal spa treatment. On the flip side, if they swatted the brush out of your hand like an insulted celebrity, well, you clearly chose the wrong tool for their royal fur. Brushing isn't just about keeping your cat looking fabulous, though, let's be honest, they do appreciate a good glow-up. It mimics the social grooming they'd get from a feline friend, helps prevent hairballs, and even stimulates circulation. Basically, it's like a relaxing massage with built-in benefits. But not every cat is into the same beauty routine. Some prefer soft bristles, others demand silicone mitts, and some will only tolerate a deshedding tool if you catch them in the right mood. The key? Trial and error. Because when you find the perfect brush, you won't just have a cat, you'll have a pampered diva who suddenly loves spa day. So, there you have it. Your cat isn't ignoring you out of spite. Well, mostly. They just have their own way of showing love. It turns out belly rubs are low on their priority list, somewhere between tolerating your existence and plotting world domination. But now you know what truly makes them purr with happiness. So next time you want to bond with your feline overlord, skip the forced cuddles and try one of these instead. Trust me, they'll appreciate it, or at least judge you slightly less. Now, I gotta know, what's your cat's weirdest obsession? Boxes? Sinks? Staring at ghosts in the corner of the room? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mystic meows, because understanding your cat is a lifelong journey, and let's be honest, they are the ones in charge.